Hello?
Oh, hi. Can you open the door for me, love? I'm sorry. So sorry to bother you this time of night.
I'm sorry, I can't open the door. Why?
I've lost my dog. It's a little puppy, little Labrador puppy. I've been looking for it everywhere.
I'm sorry, but I don't know where it is. I don't know. I'm in the house. It must be outside somewhere.
Is it not in your back garden?
No, it's not in our back garden.
I just heard the noise. That's what it. I just heard his noise. That's what.
No, I'm sorry. No, you go and try somewhere else.
I can't try somewhere else because I had my Labrador barking from your back garden.
Go and call the police or someone. I'm sorry, we don't have the dog can't go to the back.
I know you don't have a dog. I'm sorry to
Hello?
I'm sorry, love. Is there any chance you can check your back garden for my dog, please?
If he was in the back garden, our light would be on. There's no good dog in the back garden. I'm sorry, but there's nobody here. No dog here in our back garden.
It's just few days old. It's
Yeah,
very
little.
little.
It's not in our back garden. Why don't you go and call the police and ask them to have a look?
Call the police for the puppy, little
Stop
puppy.
ringing our doorbells. Go and check. Stop ringing our doorbells.
Can you see? Can you see? Okay, it's safe.
Hello? Okay, I'm going to call the police and RSPCA. And if